Hey guys, so in the moment when you're going to be in the menu, these are the settings that you can get, the levels. So first thing, you want to turn on the 7.5 or 7.1 surround sound. Set the sound profile to game and default, and bass enhancement is going to be low, dialogue enhancement is going to be none, and these are going to be the levels. So 0.2, 4.7, 12, 9.1, 5.8. So these are the levels that you want to get. And that's pretty much it. So edit these and have them, and you should be good to go and you're ready to play. So yeah. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.